Welcome to our TypeScript with VueJS tutorial. Let's start with a basic VueJS 3 component using TypeScript. Here, we're importing define component from Vue, which is a function that helps create components with TypeScript support. In the props definition, message is typed as a string. In the setup function, we have direct access to message, and we can safely call to uppercase on it, knowing it's a string. TypeScript will help ensure we pass the right data type to this prop. In this scene, we're taking a look at reactive properties in Vue with TypeScript. We import ref and ref from Vue. The counter is defined as ref less than number greater than, specifying it's a reactive reference holding a number. This ensures that counter value is typed as a number and prevents us from mistakenly assigning a value of a different type. The increment function then increases counter value by 1. By typing our reactive properties, we gain confidence in the stability and reliability of our code. Now, let's dive into a more complex component. We're using prop type to define the type of the title prop more explicitly. The as keyword asserts the string constructor to be of type prop type less than string greater than. This is a necessary step because Vue props can be specified using constructors like string or number, and TypeScript needs to know the precise type. Our initial count prop has a default of 0 if not provided. We're also creating a computed property called double count that will automatically update when count value changes. And all of this is strongly typed, ensuring we avoid common errors. Finally, we'll demonstrate how to bootstrap our Vue app with TypeScript. We import create app from Vue and our typed component myTyped component. Then, we call create app passing myTyped component as the argument to create a new app instance. We mount this instance to the DOM element with the ID of app. With this setup, our entire application now benefits from the robustness and type safety provided by TypeScript.